What we have here are two average human male specimens, both vying to show off their macho machismo with things such as new vehicles and such. Fascinating. And now we enter the female specimen.
You see her?
Ow!
Hey, come over here.
Hey.
Well, hi. Don't we have class together? Yeah, it's chemistry, because we do have it.
Y'all might have chemistry, but I got 7-0.
Oh, sorry.
She has obviously made her choice, choosing the 7-Up over the flashy new Camaro. And who could blame her? Sadly, females are only in it for themselves. And now we've seen a little more insight on nature.